Good morning. It's actually not morning. It's 1:30. I just took a shower. I didn't wash my hair because I washed my hair yesterday, and I'm really trying not to wash my hair every day because it's literally breaking off. Every time I brush my hair while I'm sitting down, it literally looks like someone shaved their It looks like someone cut a dog, like every time, because all of the breakage, not good. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna go to Starbucks and I'm gonna go pick up my laptop that I left at my mom's house, and then I'm gonna clean my room because it's a freaking mess, and then I'm gonna do a little like shoe collection. A lot of you guys have been asking to see like, I don't know, like the shoes that I have. It's Sunday today and I don't want to go to school tomorrow. I'm supposed to get my period tomorrow. I'm really just in a bad mindset right now. My camera's gonna die shortly, so you won't see my whole makeup routine probably. Last night I went to bed so late. I had friends over, but everybody left by like 11:30 or like 11. It was early. It was an early night, but I for some reason stayed up till like 3. I'm not really sure what I was doing. I did an Instagram live and like a ton of my friends were joining, and it was like kind of a show, but like it was kind of fun. There's still like mascara under my eye, but I'm just like not even gonna worry about it. I feel like I have errands to run. Like I feel like there was something that I needed to go to the store for, but I just can't remember what it is, and I didn't write it down anywhere. So that's just gonna be sitting in the back of my mind all day. Hopefully I can remember what I need, because I'll forget until like I obviously need the thing, and then I'll just be disappointed that I don't have it. So okay, quick little life hack. So many people love like fake freckles. I do too. I don't do them that often, but like lately I've just been like putting a few more just like to kind of like contour my nose, if that makes sense. Like it just like makes my nose look skinnier because it's like darker on my nose. People use like Freck, which is like the little fake freckle like thing. People use like eyeliner and eyeshadows and stuff, but this CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow 24-hour brow ink pen is perfect. I didn't buy it for the intention of using it for fake freckles. I bought it for my brows, but it comes with this little like felt tip, whatever. It puts out like a liquid little dot. I'll try to do it. You can just tap it in. It's perfect. I love it, and it's not too dark. I know nobody's excited to see me popping in here, but what's up? Hope y'all are enjoying the video so far. I quickly wanted to talk to you guys about something that I've briefly talked about before, and that is Step. Step is a form of mobile banking that is literally perfect for teenagers. It's completely free, and there is absolutely no fees that come with using it, and you can start building credit from an early age, completely risk-free. Step makes it super easy to like send and receive money between you and your friends or you and your parents. I have mine in my wallet right here, and I love it. I use it all the time. Here's the card. You get to customize like the color of it. I picked pink for mine. I've recently been budgeting a little bit and putting some extra money aside each month to buy a new laptop because I'm in desperate need, and I've been using my Step app to help me save for it. You can set different saving goals within the Step app, and then you can kind of like fund them as you go and track them at any time. To get started using Step, all you need to do is download the app and then sign up. If you're under 18, just get one of the adults in your life to help you sign up and kind of like sponsor you, and then you'll be able to design your own Step card. If you're new to Step and haven't signed up before, you guys can click the link in the description box and get $10 directly into your account after you sign up with an adult. I absolutely love Step, and last time I worked with them, so many of you guys used my link to sign up, and you literally have sent me like DMs saying that it's such a cool thing. So if you're interested, click the link in the description box. I love you guys. Try Step. Let's continue on with the video. I just picked up my Starbucks. I got my normal coffee order. I literally get the same thing every time. Sweet cream cold brew with caramel drizzle, and then sweet cream cold foam, and 6 pumps of caramel syrup. I don't really know what it is. It's so good. And then I got a ham and cheese croissant. This is literally my first meal of the day. That's terrible, but I woke up so freaking late. These are so good, and they're always sold out. I just ate that croissant so fast and my tummy hurts. I have to go to my mom's now because I have like 3 videos that I need to edit, and I haven't been able to edit all weekend because I haven't gone over and gotten my laptop that I forgot. And then I still need to remember what errands I need to run. I'm so confused. Like there was definitely something that I needed to get at like Target or somewhere like that, and I just can't remember what it is. I do want to mention though, I took a shower this morning, and when I was in the shower, I thought about how I needed to tell you guys something. A couple weeks ago, went and I bought like all new like shower stuff just because I was like out of my shampoo and conditioner and I was almost out of my body wash, and I tried out like all new products. I love my shampoo and conditioner, but like I still need to find a better one. My hair needs more help than what it's currently giving me. But body wash, I recently tried this one. It's like an Old Spice one. I'm pretty sure, I don't actually know the scent, but I'll put the picture of the scent with the right scent. It smells so good, and my skin literally smells like it for like a couple hours after I shower, which like normally doesn't happen with like even super fragrant like body washes. You can even wash your body with literal perfume from Bath and Body Works and you're not gonna smell like it for like that much longer after your shower. Like it just like rinses off and the smell goes away with it. But the smell that stays with this body wash smells so good, and then also it's super like moisturizing. So definitely check out Old Spice's body washes. They are really nice. That's all that I really had to say. Hi guys, I'm back at my dad's. I picked up my laptop, still working on my Starbucks. I've been doing super well with keeping my room clean for the most part, but the issue is like the second I come back over here from my mom's house, everything just goes to shit. I pack up bags of stuff, and then when I get home, I just leave them on the floor. There's a bag, just, it's not good, you know? Stuff laying everywhere. These are clean clothes that I need to fold and put away. I don't know why there's a basketball right there, but like my room is just not clean. I don't really know where to start because it's a mess. It has been a long time since my room has been this messy. I don't think it'll take me too long, but I'm not excited. Ow. I'm just going to start by putting all of the dirty clothes in here. This is all literally stuff that's like clean because I just put it on for like a second while I was deciding what to wear and then didn't actually wear it. Okay, I've debated saying anything, but I think I'm just going to finally announce it. I can't make any like promises or give you any dates. Merch has been in the making and in the process. Merch has been in the works for a while now. Months, you could say. Literally like a year. I have designed like 3 different I've designed like 3 different merch designs and then just not gone through with it because I don't absolutely love it. Yesterday, my manager sent me like another draft of my most recent design, and it's literally perfect. I'm obsessed with it. It's definitely my favorite merch that I've ever made and that I think I ever will make. It's literally beautiful, like beautiful. I'm so happy that I took my time with it and really like figured out what I wanted to do before just like jumping into the designing process again. Because I really wanted it to be like special and something that I genuinely like loved and I know that I would wear all the time and you guys will wear all the time and like my friends will wear all the time. So I'm so excited. So stay on the lookout for that. It should be coming in the next couple of months, hopefully. Second semester just started a couple weeks ago and I literally hate my schedule. I don't like hate the people in my classes. I just don't really know a lot of the people in my classes, which obviously kind of sucks. But like, I don't know. I just don't know. I wish I had more friends in my classes. My math class is literally like 95% like males that I just don't know and I don't have any interest in talking to them. But like it just kind of sucks not having friends in your classes. But things could be worse. It could be a lot worse. I complain a lot and you guys probably hear me complain a lot and you're like, Bailey, like literally shut up. Because at the end of the day, like that is so true. Like things can always be worse. Ow. I need to get my nails redone so bad. Okay, this looks like a mess, but it's a bunch of clothes hung up or on their hangers. I just simply do not have enough room in my closet for clothes. Like, it's bad. Okay guys, so I finished cleaning my room. I brought my shoe rack from my closet into my room so that I can kind of just like pull shoes off and show you them. This is not a full shoe collection. I have so many more shoes, but these are like my sneakers and like the shoes that I wear the most. There's really like 4 pairs of shoes that I stick to on like a daily basis for like school and stuff. So I just thought I would share like those with you and like where I got them. These are just a pair of Nike Air Maxes. These are just like a cute pair of like tennis shoes. I have these, and then I have a pair that are all white. They have like cream and brown on them. I wear those all the time, but they're downstairs right now and I really don't want to get them. These are just really fun, like brightly colored sneakers. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods, but you can probably find them on just like Nike's website or anywhere, I don't know. And then I have this pair of Air Forces. I don't wear Air Forces anymore. I used to have all white ones, but I got rid of them because they were too small. These are all white, and then they just have like blue and red on them. Super cute. I don't really wear these that often, but they're good for like the perfect outfit. I also have these Air Forces. These are from Drip Creations. I used to work with Drip Creations all the time, and they sent me so many pairs of custom Air Forces. These are the cow print ones. I don't really wear these ones often anymore either. I don't know, they're just like hard to wear with stuff. I'll just continue with Air Forces. I have this pair of like light pink mauve Air Forces. These are really freaking cute. I love these. I don't know the exact name of them, but I got them from the Nike store in Las Vegas, but you can get these online on the Nike website. I have these pair of black boots. People always ask where I got these. I got these from Target and they were really inexpensive. They're just like nice dress up black boots. You can wear these with literally so many different outfits. And then I have my all-time favorite pair of shoes. They aren't even that cute, but they're so comfortable and they're so universal. Like you can wear them with anything. They're the high top lugged Converse in the white color. They have the cloth ones, and then they also have leather ones, which I would recommend getting because you can just like wipe them off if they get dirty. These ones are pretty dirty. You can get these from the Converse website. That's where I got mine. Moving on to my newest pair of Converse. I haven't worn any of the shoes that I got for Christmas yet, which is kind of sad because it's been like a month. But the reasoning behind that is because we have like so much snow and it's just like dirty outside, and I really don't want to ruin them. These look really similar to the shoes I just showed you, but I promise they're different. I wanted something similar to these just because these are getting so old and dirty. These ones are leather. These ones are super cute. Like the platform of them is adorable. There's like a beige color and then a bright white, and then the actual shoe is, it's like a light tan color, and then there's like this brown stripe on the back. These are also from the Converse website. The first pair of Jordans I'm going to show you are my newest ones. These are the Jordan Low in Gray Fog. I've been wanting these for so long. They're honestly just like the perfect gray color, and they're so casual. You can wear these with like jeans, sweatpants. You literally can wear these shoes with anything. They're absolutely just adorable. My mom got me these for Christmas and she got them off of GOAT. I get most of my Jordans off of GOAT, but you can always check like StockX or any of those websites. Lighting does not look good. I literally just set up my makeup mirror and it's so like just on one side of my face. It's getting dark in my room now, so I don't know what to do. These ones down here are, I think these were my first pair of Jordans that I've ever gotten. They're the Jordan 1 mids in the color Dutch green, I believe. I really like these. The mids are not my favorite. They're very uncomfortable and they're just not as high of quality as like the high tops are. They just have like a light green and then like a little bit of a darker green. The laces are like a light purple color, and then the little like Jordan logo up here is pink. I don't know. I think that they're super fun and cute. I don't wear these that often just because they're kind of hard to match with stuff. The next pair of Jordans that I bought were these ones. I want to say they're the Jordan 1 Retro OGs in the color Shadow, or like Shadow 2.0. I honestly don't really know, but you can just find them on GOAT as well. The Retro OG Jordans are really like stiff, where the next pair I'm going to show you, these are my favorite just because of how comfortable they are. But these are definitely like my favorite colorway. I absolutely love the gray and the black together. Okay, this is the last pair of Jordans I have to show you. These, okay, it is way too bright, but now it's like dark in here. These are the Jordan 1 High Zoom Comfort. I think the color of them is called Light Bone. They're so comfortable compared to the other ones. The leather and the inside of the shoe is just so much like less stiff than like the other ones I've showed. The only issue with it being so much less stiff is they crease a lot easier. I've done a pretty good job of like taking care of these, but they're kind of dirty, and also not that pristine. But I've never seen anybody else with these shoes, which is cool because I tend to be really basic and get what everybody else already has. I don't know if any of you enjoyed that. I just know a lot of people have been like asking me to show like what shoes I have and like where I get them. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna go eat some dinner.